Pronunciation Workshop, presented by Ashley Juliet Fierro Gutierrez. I'm going to school every day. You are my best friend. She is French. He is too old to go to school. We are going to race the next month. Her dog is really nice. I hate math, it is so difficult. She is way smarter than you. My mailbox is full. Shakira is singing very well. I think Marco is taller than Pablo. Miranda is a hairdresser. Madonna is a famous singer. Rome is the capital of Italy. I am a bit sick today. I should stay at home.